What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to play popular games on your weak PC. Also I show you how to play new Tomb Raider on your PC free and fast. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First what you need to do guys to play this all popular game on your PC or on your weak laptop, go first and open your browser and type NVIDIA GeForce NOW. Open this first site and you will see here download. Click this, scroll down and you will see desktop and laptop. Go here on Windows, click here and save your installation. When you download a GeForce Now like me, just open it and install on your PC. When you install GeForce Now like me on PC or laptop, you will see this icon like me. Just open GeForce Now and you will see here login. Just create your fast account and log in on your account. When you do that, all games what you want to play is here. Like CS2, Fortnite and new games are here. Like Tomb Raider, you can play these much popular games with high graphics and without using your CPU and GPU. All what you need to do, just connect your Epic Store, click this and go here play, and that's all guys to play popular games on your low and end PC. I show you one thing, when you click this and you don't see this play, you need guys to connect your Epic Games account. For some game like CS2 you need to connect Steam account. Just go in left corner, click this and you will see here settings. And you will see here like me Steam Connect and Epic Game Connect. Also you can connect Ubisoft account, Xbox too. For playing these games just go here connect and you will be connected like me, Steam and Epic. When you go here in left corner, click on games, choose your game what you want, click play, and that's all for playing games. And that's it all guys for this video, how to play popular games on weak PC or laptop. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helped you, share with your friend, and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.